There is a massive wealth transfer happening right now beneath the surface of the normal economy. Most people are completely missing the transition because they are looking at outdated financial advice from 5 years ago. We are stepping into a radically different landscape for wealth creation in this current year. The traditional avenues like index funds and standard retail businesses are thoroughly saturated and offer diminishing returns for the average person. But a quiet group of everyday individuals is quietly capturing enormous value by positioning themselves in entirely new markets before they hit the mainstream. I spent the last few months analyzing macroeconomic data and emerging tech trends to figure out exactly where the real opportunities are hiding. I found 10 distinct strategies that are generating serious revenue today. I am going to walk you through the 7 most accessible ones right now so you can start taking action immediately. The 4th method we will discuss is particularly fascinating because it requires almost zero upfront capital and leverages a resource you probably already have sitting idle. But before we get to that specific strategy, we need to understand the fundamental shift happening with raw data and its rapid global monetization. Chapter 1: Synthetic Data Arbitrage. The artificial intelligence boom created a massive bottleneck that few people noticed until recently. Tech companies desperately need incredibly vast amounts of information to train their sophisticated models, but they have essentially run out of high-quality human-generated text and images. This is where synthetic data generation becomes incredibly lucrative for everyday individuals. Instead of manually collecting information, smart entrepreneurs are setting up simple automated systems that generate highly specific artificial data sets. You do not need to be a software engineer to do this successfully. There are accessible platforms that allow you to define parameters for niche industries like medical administration or legal contracts. Your system produces thousands of realistic but entirely fake scenarios that tech companies will gladly purchase to improve their own systems. The profit margins are astonishing because the marginal cost of producing another synthetic dataset is practically zero. Investors are actively searching for individuals who can consistently provide this specialized resource. This creates a perfect storm of high demand and low supply. And while data generation is highly profitable, there is another digital asset class that is reshaping local communities right under our noses and yielding extremely reliable passive income. Chapter 2: Tokenized Real Estate. For generations, the absolute best way to build wealth was buying commercial property. But the barrier to entry has always been astronomically high for the average person. You usually needed massive capital reserves and extensive credit histories to even start looking at commercial buildings. That entirely changed recently with the rise of fractionalized property tokens across major urban centers. You can now legally purchase a highly specific digital share of a physical commercial building for less than $50. These are not unregulated abstract cryptocurrencies prone to wild market swings. These tokens represent actual, legally binding ownership in profitable local businesses like grocery stores and urgent care clinics. As the physical property generates monthly rent from its tenants, that revenue is automatically distributed to the token holders. Smart investors are quietly building diversified portfolios of downtown real estate without ever taking out a traditional mortgage. It offers the stability of physical land with the liquidity of a simple digital stock. You just collect the proportional rent deposits every single month. But if passive physical real estate sounds slightly too traditional, there's an entirely new environmental market that desperately needs your attention right now. Chapter 3: Carbon Credit Aggregation. Governments worldwide have recently established incredibly strict environmental mandates for large corporations. These massive companies are legally forced to offset their emissions by purchasing verified environmental assets. Historically, only massive industrial farms could actually participate in this lucrative exchange. Today, independent platforms allow everyday homeowners to bundle small environmental actions into highly valuable carbon credit portfolios. If you have solar panels installed or manage a small section of undeveloped private land, you are sitting on an unmonetized gold mine. New verification algorithms can measure the exact environmental impact of your small property using satellite imagery. You simply register your existing land or home energy upgrades on a centralized exchange. The platform aggregates thousands of ordinary individuals into one massive block and sells those combined credits to corporate buyers at premium institutional rates. You receive a very handsome dividend just for maintaining your normal property. It genuinely feels like getting paid for doing absolutely nothing differently. It is one of the easiest ways to establish a secondary income stream this year. Speaking of utilizing assets you already possess, remember that cliffhanger from the introduction? The next framework explains how regular household electronics quietly generate huge daily returns. Chapter 4. Decentralized compute leasing. Every single day, millions of high-performance computers sit completely idle while their owners are sleeping or away at work. Meanwhile, massive research laboratories and artificial intelligence startups are desperately struggling to find enough processing power to run their complex calculations. This imbalance has birthed the highly profitable market of decentralized compute leasing. You can now install a lightweight, secure application on your home desktop or gaming laptop that operates silently in the background. When you step away from your keyboard, the software safely rents out your unused processing power to vetted enterprise clients. It essentially turns your existing hardware into an autonomous digital worker that clocks in the moment you log off. The system automatically pays you in standard currency based on the exact amount of computational work your machine completed. People are literally waking up to see new deposits in their bank accounts just because they left their computer plugged into the wall overnight. The setup takes about 5 minutes and requires zero technical expertise. But maximizing your digital hardware is only half the modern equation. We must also explore how regular everyday individuals are successfully monetizing highly specific knowledge in completely unexpected ways. Chapter 5. Digital Twin Consulting. Traditional local businesses are currently facing a terrifying optimization crisis. Mom-and-pop hardware stores and independent coffee shops are losing money because they rely on outdated physical inventory methods. A brilliant new class of independent consultants is solving this exact problem by building highly accurate digital twin models. You map out a virtual simulation of the physical store using standard mobile phone cameras and intuitive modeling software. This allows the business owner to test completely different floor layouts and inventory placements in a safe virtual space before physically moving heavy shelves. The software reveals hidden customer flow patterns and predicts exactly which product arrangements will generate the highest daily sales. Business owners gladly pay thousands of dollars for these profound operational insights because the return on investment is immediate and obvious. You do not need a business degree to offer this transformative service to your local community. The software handles the complex analytical mathematics, while you focus entirely on building trusted relationships with the store owners. Speaking of transforming local physical spaces, the next opportunity taps into a massive logistical bottleneck that is quietly driving delivery companies absolutely crazy right now across major cities. Chapter 6. Local Logistics Leasing. The global e-commerce supply chain completely breaks down during the final mile of delivery. Major shipping corporations have built massive regional warehouses outside the suburbs, but they desperately lack secure storage points within densely populated neighborhoods. This creates a highly profitable opportunity known as micro-warehousing. If you have an empty garage or an unused commercial basement, you possess an incredibly valuable logistical asset. Secure platforms allow you to lease that empty physical footprint directly to major delivery networks. Delivery trucks drop off a batch of packages at your secure space early in the morning. Then local independent couriers pick up those packages on electric bikes to complete the final neighborhood deliveries. You never touch the packages or manage the complicated shipping logistics. You simply provide the verified secure waypoint and collect a steady leasing fee. It functions exactly like renting out an apartment, but without the headaches of demanding human tenants. Your only residents are temporarily stored cardboard boxes waiting for their final destination. This passive physical strategy is incredibly stable. But if you want a truly scalable opportunity that transcends physical borders, the final strategy represents the absolute peak of modern technological leverage today. Chapter 7. Personal Agent Auditing. Everyone is excitedly talking about how automated software agents will manage our entire schedules and finances, but very few people are discussing the massive security risks these automated systems create. Busy executives and wealthy investors are handing over their most sensitive credentials to sophisticated programs without fully understanding the underlying protocols. This oversight created an urgent demand for personal agent auditing services. You essentially act as a specialized digital inspector for high-net-worth individuals. Using standardized testing frameworks, you systematically evaluate their automated assistants to ensure private data remains completely secure and financial commands execute flawlessly.
You intentionally try to trick their software into making unauthorized purchases or revealing confidential meeting notes. When you find a vulnerability, you provide a simple diagnostic report and charge a premium fee for the peace of mind. You do not need deep coding knowledge because the auditing tools are highly intuitive and visual. This service solves a terrifying modern problem for people who happily pay top dollar for guaranteed security. It perfectly illustrates the central theme of this year. True wealth is found by quietly solving the complex problems that mainstream society hasn't even fully noticed yet.